Hi, I'm John Garrison, an engineering intern here at Granite.
Hey, I'm Giovanni Rodriguez. I'm also an engineering intern here at Granite Construction.
I'm a recent graduate from Northern Arizona University in Arizona.
And I'm a third year, about to be fourth year, Cal Poly Pomona civil engineering student. And we're planning on graduating next year.
Okay. So our project manager, he's kind of given us a list of some stuff that he expects from us as interns. So our first is some project control type stuff, which is invoice and accruals. We do that every month. It's just our monthly closing cost, and we both helped with that. We do daily costs. Gio mostly does the daily costs for jobs such as 10th West.
So for daily costs, essentially what we do is we keep track of all the equipment, all the laborers, any subcontractors that we have out there, and we try to create a cost out of that to kind of put a price on either how good or how bad a job is doing.
Yeah. We also do contract obligations, which includes reading the specs, the scopes of the project. We've been doing that for a project called the Palmdale Overlay, which we've been helping out with. This includes some field work, so the next category is field, which includes tracking quantities, customer focus, or mostly talking with the inspector, getting his view on it.
Just a little bit on tracking quantities, something where, or like an example where we tracked quantities was, for example, on the 10th Street West job here in Lancaster, we poured a bus pad, and we had to find out, okay, we have this amount of space that we need to fill up. How much concrete do we need? How many tons? How many cubic yards of concrete do we need? And we had to come up with like a production rate and how much you think we thought we were going to be able to pour on a single day, and that kind of reflected if we did well or if we did bad on a certain day, on a specific day.
We also are doing testing and recording our work, which is just taking notes, jotting down what we're doing every day, making sure we're busy. So in order to avoid that train, we just edited the picture. So we were on safety, which is we were doing take fives, and we do take five meetings every morning with the crew and make sure that everybody's on the same page, everybody knows what's going on, and we're going to be performing safe activities. As part of our management tasks, we have our pre-job setup, so we've been doing that for the Palmdale Overlay as well. That's submitting submittals, doing takeoffs and phasing plans, and any other startup documents that we need to get done for that project.
So just to kind of touch up on that a little bit, anything that any material that's used on the job is supposed to be approved by the city. Make sure that it's per spec and per plan. So that's what the submittals are for. Kind of what we're learning over this course of the internship. The takeoffs, we kind of just do checks on the quantities of those that are given to us by the city, and that way we know whether we're gonna run over, we're gonna run under, how much we need, and whether or not we need we're gonna need more money or less money from the city, and if we need to do pour more material, for example, at another location. We've also done a little bit of scheduling. Brendan and I have been doing that a lot for this Palmdale Overlay project that's coming up pretty soon. We basically came up with a schedule from start to finish of how the project should run, and if it runs perfectly, then we would save a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of effort. But we know that that's not usually the case, so we have to prepare for any scenario that would come our way.
Yeah. The last items are just long-term, get it now items, time management, and teamwork type aspects of the internship, which we touch on every day. And it all helps get the work done and get the job done correctly. So that's pretty much all we've got for the video. But thank you.
Thank you.